Hello students, today we will learn how to format a presentation. The slide master is an element of a template that stores information including font styles, placeholder sizes, position of text and objects, bullet styles, background design and color schemes. Slide master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. It actually controls an entire presentation. Any changes made in the slide master page automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. Slide master consists of two placeholders: slide title placeholder, body text placeholder. Slide title placeholder. It is the first placeholder for the title of the page. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on a slide. Body text placeholder. This placeholder includes general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures, and many more. Each slide master contains one or more standard or custom sets of layouts. Let's learn how to work with Slide Master now. To open the Slide Master view, click on the Slide Master button in the Master Views group on the View tab. The presentation will switch to Slide Master view and the Slide Master tab will be selected on the ribbon. In the left navigation pane, scroll up and select the first slide. This is the Slide Master. In Slide Master view, each slide below the Slide Master is a master slide for a supporting layout. For example, if you want to make changes to all the slides that use title and content layout, select the Title and Content Layout master slide in the pane. To check this information, just hover the mouse pointer over any slide layout in the Slide Master task pane and read the screen tip. Click on the Themes button in the Edit Theme group on the Slide Master tab and select the desired theme from the displayed list. Select the Fonts button to change the font style and Colors button to change the color of selected theme. Observe the changes. Click on the Background Styles button in the Background group on the Slide Master tab. Select the required background from the drop-down menu. To change the text color, click on the Home tab. Select the text and then click on the font color in the font group. Select any font color from the drop-down menu. The Change Font Color will appear in all the slides in the Slide Master task pane on the left. Likewise, you can apply different formatting changes on slides with a specific layout. Remember that text on the master slide is used only for styling. The text on actual slides such as titles and lists should be typed in normal view. To enter and edit the header and footer contents, click on the Header and Footer button in the text group on the Insert tab. Click on the Close Master View button present on the Slide Master tab to close the Slide Master view. Let me share some interesting shortcut keys now. Press Ctrl+T to open the Font dialog box. Increase the font size using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+greater sign. Decrease the font size using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+smaller sign. Okay, let us learn how to create a new custom layout. If you do not find a standard layout that suits your needs, you can create a custom layout that perfectly suits your slide content. You can customize that layout by adding text-specific and object-specific placeholders. Follow these steps. Click on the View tab. Select the Slide Master button in the Master Views group. Choose the blank layout slide from the displayed list present in the Slides Master task pane. To remove any unwanted or default placeholders such as header, footer, or the date and time, click on the border of the placeholder, then press the Delete key. To add a placeholder on the Slide Master, click on the Insert Placeholder drop-down arrow in the Master Layout group. Select a placeholder from the list according to your need. Drag the mouse on the slide to position the new placeholder. You can resize a placeholder by dragging one of its resizing handles. Right-click on the selected layout thumbnail and select the Rename Layout option from the context menu. In the Rename Layout dialog box, type a new name that describes the new layout you have customized. Click on the Rename button. Click on the File tab and select the Save As option. Browse the location from the Save As window. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a file name in the File Name box. In the Save As type list, select the PowerPoint template and then click on Save option. Click on Close Master View button. The layout that you added and customized now appears in the list of standard built-in layouts in normal view, located on the Home tab in the Slides group. Let me give you a tip. You can also rename any layout using the Rename button present in the Edit Master group on the Slide Master tab. Let us learn how to change color scheme now. Every presentation comes with color schemes. You can change the color scheme of complete presentation or a single slide. The colors of specific elements on a slide such as title and background can also be changed. Open any slide of a presentation. Click on the Design tab, go to the Themes group. As you hover the mouse over any theme, it is reflected on the slide. Left-click on the theme that you want to apply to all the slides. Or right-click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the Apply to All Slides option. The theme will be applied to all slides. Click on More drop-down arrow in the Variant group and select the Colors option. Choose the desired color scheme. To apply the color scheme to all the slides, right-click on the color scheme and select the Apply to All Slides option. In case you want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, then select the Apply to Selected Slides option.